Guys, and today it's bonfire night. Happy bonfire night. And yeah, our first vlog, and remember to like and subscribe.
Now we're going to set the bonfire on fire.
We're gonna light up the bonfire.
Looking good.
Yeah, so it's looking good. So it's still getting light.
We've got petrol on it.
Right,
Put petrol in nearly.
it's still doing done. It's still getting done.
Your phone's a bit slow, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's lovely. A campfire and a bonfire. Oh, it's exciting.
So this is exciting. If you want to see it, you in quite a lot, that's what it looks like.
To get the marshmallows going soon.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, soon we're gonna get the marshmallows going.